I got them, and let's try them. I have all the shades. The new NYX Smushy Matte Lip Balms, and I'm ready to try them. These are $9 a piece, and I did buy these with my own money, and I'm ready to give y'all a real review of my honest opinion. So let's go through the details. These are new lip balms that are matte. Yeah, matte. And I want to see if they're matte, will they stay on, and are they glossy? The website says it has a moisture locking ingredient, buildable soft blur color, unique smushy sweet scent, 12 craveable shades, which I have all 12, and a smushy soft lip applicator. Now, some of the benefits that it describes in the website is that it has a soft matte finish. It's infused with milk rice powder and sugar ceramides for an ultra soft feel, ultra soft silicone applicator. It blurs the appearance of lip lines and does not settle into lip lines. Diffused blurred color. Lip balm moisturizes and conditions for soft plush feel. Comfortable wear. Lip balm is lightweight and feels weightless on the lips. Provides color with a non-sticky lip balm feel. No cakiness or pilling. Lips look soft, natural plush, and pillowy. 12 tinted lip shades, 12 unique scents, cruelty-free, vegan lip formula. So let's put them to the test. I first want to swatch them. So I'll go through each shade, what they look like on my skin, and then we'll try them on the lips. They have numbers and names. So I'll go from 1 to 12. And the first one is this purple color. It's called Sugar Smudge. The letter number is SMB01. It does have a pretty nice applicator. Look at that. Yeah, that's a clear. Let's go in with SMB02. And this is Swipe Sesh. That's what she looks like. Pretty nice. Sweet Smack. Okay, that looks pretty. This is SMB04, and it is She's Serving. Okay, maroon. This is SMB05, and the color Snuggle SZN. This is the number SMB06, and it's Soft Smile. That blends in with me now. Number SMB07, it is Swipe Too Smooth. That's pretty. It's like a brownish red. This is number SMB08. It is Smudge Fudge. Pretty. SMB09, Soft Sorbet. That's pretty. That's a nice orange. I like that. This is SMB10, Sassy Stuff. It's a reddish. SMB11, Sweet N Sizzle. Red. Last but not least, this is SMB12, Silly Sippin. These are all 12 colors, the new NYX Matte Lip Balms. Let me know which one you like the best. Now remember, the first one is transparent, so you can't really see it. I hope you loved this video, and if you did, make sure to tune in for part 2 where we're gonna try these on. All right, I'll see you in part 2. Bye.